Hi there, students. Paramount. Paramount is an adjective. It means the most important thing, the main concern, the thing of greatest significance. So it is paramount not to make any mistakes when writing a computer program. Staying within our budget on this project is paramount. It is of paramount importance to resolve this problem before we continue. So the most important thing. Now, you can also use paramount to mean highest in rank or power or authority, but this is much less common. So you could say Boris Johnson is the paramount leader of our nation. There's a film studio called Paramount, and I guess they're trying to say that they are the highest in rank, the most important film studio. But we nearly always use paramount to mean the most important thing. Either the utmost, this is of paramount importance, or of prime importance. Finding fresh water to drink in the desert is paramount. Okay, so paramount, the number one concern, the thing that must be done and is the most important to do. Stopping the spread of COVID is our paramount objective. It's our number one objective. The welfare of the children should be paramount. If you want to speak good English, not translating from your mother tongue is paramount, is of paramount importance. Okay, so paramount, the most important thing that you've got to focus on and get right. If you're going to do an English exam, it's of paramount importance not to make silly mistakes. Having a good work-life balance is paramount to a good life. So, next question, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this something like a 6 or 6.5 in formality, maybe even a 7. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation in the pub. The most important thing, the number one objective, the main point, the main concern. I think I would keep paramount for something semi-formal or something very formal. It's certainly a good word to use in your essays to show your fabulous vocabulary. So what about the origin? Well, this comes from Old French, from par amont. Par meaning by, and amont, mont, M-O-N-T, a mountain. So amont, above. So by, above, well, above everything else of importance, okay? So it's of paramount importance that if you use the word paramount, you use it correctly, okay? Correct use is paramount. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Paramount.